meeting today. So let's start our meeting today by saying good morning, everyone.
Good
Yes.
morning.
Okay, good morning, Sis Alpika, Sis Rahmita, Sis Helen, Sis Asna, and also Sis Gladys. Where are the other friends?
I
Do you
don't
know where are
know.
they?
I don't know where.
Ya, maybe because the last week ya. Jadi udah malesnya itu semakin tinggi. Biasanya seperti itu. And yeah, sometimes you would like to find this condition in the end of this class. Jadi kebanyakan 1 minggu terakhir itu pasti turun drastis. I don't know why, what happened with that. Because they think that maybe we have already finished the class, and also how can we say that? Or maybe they have another important reasons why they didn't join the class. Okay, so well everyone, how was your weekend, Sis Rahmita? Did you really have nice weekend?
Yeah, Miss.
Hmm?
How about Miss?
I really have a nice weekend. I spent my time to play with my son, so I guess that it was really a great time with my son because I have never had never had a full time
Ah,
with my son. Jadi sometimes I spend my time to teach, and also after I'm teaching, he is already sleeping. So means that we I used to busy in my weekday, so that in a weekend I take my time with my son.
Miss Vivi hard worker mom.
Karena kebutuhan.
Yes, it's
Iya
must
kan?
lah, Miss.
Oh, it's a must. Okay, but fortunately, I'm working at home so that sometimes my son
Mm.
can come here. Jadi kadang main ke sini atau I still can looking at him. Tentunya di
Mm.
situ.
That's
Mhm.
nice, Miss.
Okay. Didn't you go to anywhere?
Just chilling with my sis.
Where did you go?
Um, go to restaurant,
Mm-mm.
I'm sorry, restaurant, and mm, just deep talk with my sis. And of there,
Okay.
this
Mhm.
this time like that, Miss.
Okay. What about the weather?
The weather is lately in
Mm-mm.
Bekasi gloomy. I don't know why.
Cloudy?
Yeah, cloudy, Miss. I'm sorry.
Aha. Kalau gloomy nanti si Rahmitanya yang gloomy.
Oh yeah, that it. I'm sorry.
Gloomy, oke. Lagi galau ya. Jadi awannya mendung, akhirnya si Rahmita
Yeah,
ke bawah.
I'm sorry, Miss.
Oke. The weather today in Masidi also it was cloudy. It is cloudy right now, but we don't know what will happen next. Maybe it can be
Yeah,
run or it can't. Okay. Thank you, Sis Rahmita, for sharing.
wait, Miss. My
What
place.
about you, Sis Elpika? How was your weekend?
I go to festival Indonesian Week in Hong Kong.
How was the festival about?
Bazaar, have bazaar and then concert.
Mm-mm.
Not ada.
Oke, so means that was it a big fair? Apakah itu apa? Pameran yang besar?
Yes, Miss.
Mhm. Okay, and then uh, what kind of concert did you watch? Is it a music concert or
Yes, music concert
art concert or what?
and then food, bazaar food.
Who was
Yes.
how can we say that? Who was the singer or the band?
Wali band.
Wali Band. Oke. Ya, di Hong Kong selalu begitu ya, Sis ya. There are some of the artists or singers who performs there.
Yeah.
If I'm not
Oh,
mistaken, the last, yeah. Oh,
what mean?
okay. No, no, no. Cancel. I thought about Denny Caknan, tapi Denny Caknan terakhirnya dia ke ini,
Taiwan.
ke Taiwan, bukan di Hong Kong. Mhm.
Yeah.
Okay. And then Sis Elpika, do you like traveling?
Yes, I like.
Why do you like traveling?
Because my feeling is good for
Mm-mm.
me.
Okay. And then where do you usually go travel?
I go to Thailand, Singapore,
Mm-mm.
and then Malaysia.
Mm-mm.
Yes, that
How was about the ticket price? Is it cheaper than we have to flight from Indonesia?
yes.
Oke. Kalau Indonesia, Malaysia aja udah 1 juta berapa toh? Murah
Sekarang
sih,
nggak
nggak sampai
nyampe.
ratusan. Tapi kalau Indonesia
Sekarang
Medan 1,6.
iya,
So means that the domestic ticket is higher than the international tickets.
iya,
Makanya sis Elpika sekarang di Hong Kong ya kan sis?
iya.
Do you mean to
Cari duit
uh,
dulu.
do you will to live there?
Yes, I working in Hong Kong, Miss.
Mm-mm. And I mean for the future, will you settle down there? Apakah sis Elpika akan settle down di sana? Menetap di sana?
No. I
Why?
think I live in Hong Kong maybe 3 years ago.
Okay.
Mhm.
What about in the future? Tapi will you back to Indonesia?
Yes, of course.
Yes. Okay. I guess that you want to move your what is your citizen to be Hong Kong.
Hmm,
Enggak kan?
karena
Enggak merubah kewarganegaraannya.
enggak, Miss,
Enggak. Hmm.
enggak merubah.
Why?
Because, karena aku di sini pakai visa kerja, Miss.
Oh, pakai visa kerja. Kan siapa
Mm-mm.
tahu dapat
Enggak,
PR
Miss,
after that. Kerja
enggak
berapa lama
dapat.
di sana nanti dapat PR. Oke.
Because Hong Kong is expensive country, Miss.
Oke. Will you move to another country after from Hong Kong?
Maybe.
Which country?
I think Taiwan.
Taiwan. Okay.
Mm.
So, Sis Alpika,
Nepal.
after we talk about traveling, can you mention about names of cities in Indonesia that you have already visited? Coba, kota-kota yang ada di Indonesia yang sudah pernah Sis Alpika kunjungi. What was it?
Yogyakarta,
Mm-mm,
and then Medan,
mm-mm.
and then Malang. Malang masuk
Malang.
kota ya?
Okay. Yeah.
Yes, and then Madiun,
Mm-mm,
Surabaya,
mm-mm.
only there. Yes, only this.
Okay. Where are you from?
Actually, I'm from Medan, but I living in Madiun,
Mm-mm.
my home. Yes,
Okay. You live in Madiun, but actually you are originally from Madiun.
Medan, Medan.
Okay. So from all the cities that you have already visited, which one is the best city in your opinion? Kota mana yang paling terbaik menurut Sis Alpika?
Uh, Yogyakarta,
Why?
because cheap, I mean, cheap.
Because, okay, cheap ya.
Mm.
Only that? Maybe because the tourism place,
Yes, tourism place. I go to where I forget, Miss.
Malioboro,
Yes, Malioboro, and
Taman
then
Bintar mungkin, Taman
oh,
Sari.
zoo. I go to zoo.
Heeh.
I forget maybe because very long time I go there.
Okay. Okay, Sis Elvika, thank you for sharing about your best time in some of the cities.
Welcome, Miss.
Okay. And then what about you, Sis Lasmiati? Are you there, Sis Lasmiati? Hello? Okay. What about you, Sis Helen? Hello, Sis Helen? Sis Helen?
Yes, Miss.
Okay. Sis Helen, do you like traveling?
Yes, I like traveling, Miss.
Okay. Why do you like traveling?
Make me happy and traveling make me
Mm-mm.
Apa ya? Apa like future is nice with traveling.
Okay, so means that you feel refreshed after
Yes,
you go traveling.
yes, Miss.
Okay, and then can you name some of the cities in Indonesia that you have already visited?
Yes. In 2020 and 22, I go to Yogyakarta,
Mm-mm,
and then only in Sumatra,
mm-mm,
like Samosir, Sibolga
mm-hmm.
in this year.
Okay, so which one is your favorite cities among the cities that you have visited?
Uh, Yogyakarta is nice.
Mm-mm,
Uh, I live in Medan 10 years after now.
mm-mm.
Uh, I like live in Medan.
Okay, why do you like to live in Medan?
Uh, Kuliner
Mm-mm.
in Medan is uh, bervariasi, Miss.
Okay.
Nah, mungkin udah ini cocok lidahnya sama Medan.
But actually, where are you from?
Nah, I'm from Medan, but in
Okay.
Medan, I stay in Medan
Huh?
Selayang. When I senior high school in
Okay.
uh, in
Mhm.
home uncle homes
Oh, yeah, in your uncle's house.
house is.
And up to now, you still live in Medan?
And after now I live in Medan.
Okay. So what is the best place to visit in Medan?
Yes,
What is the best place to have a traveling in Medan?
in Medan. Only goes to mall.
Hmm?
Uh,
Brastagi?
and yes, Brastagi itu kan jauh dari Medan. Maybe traveling in Sumatera, you can go to Brastagi. Apa lagi? Samosir,
Samosir.
and if you if you went to uh,
Sibolga is next one, next place.
outdoor place, you can go to Sibolga, Aceh,
Mm-mm.
like that.
Sibolga,
Yes,
what place is that?
Sibolga, Sumatera,
Mm-mm.
in
not Sumatra.
Sumatera, but Tapanuli Utara.
Tapanuli. Okay. Mhm.
Pantainya bagus, Miss, di sana.
Okay, so means that it's famous with its beaches. Berarti terkenal dengan
Yes,
pantainya ya.
yeah.
Okay, great. Thank you, Sis Helen, for sharing.
Yes, welcome, Miss.
Okay, so well, everyone, because today we are going to talk about travel. So means that I'm going to show you about top 10 best place to visit in Indonesia. It can be a reference where would you like to go for your next vacations. And now let's check it out.
Top 10 best places to visit in Indonesia. Indonesia is a country of stunning landscapes, rich culture, and endless adventures. From its turquoise waters and pristine beaches to its lush rainforests and ancient temples, this archipelago has something for every type of traveler. With over 17,000 islands to explore, it can be overwhelming to decide where to go. That's why we've narrowed down the top 10 places you can't miss in Indonesia. Before we get started with the video, Don't forget to smash the like button, share the video, and subscribe to the channel. Number 1. Pristine beauty of Bali. Picture this. You're lounging on untouched beaches, traipsing through verdant rice terraces, or finding inner peace at tranquil temples. This is the magic of Bali. From riding the waves in Kuta, an iconic surfing hotspot, to traversing the sacred pathways of Ubud Monkey Forest, the experiences are as varied as they are enchanting. And let's not forget the mesmerizing sunset at Tanah Lot Temple, a sight that imprints itself on your memory. Bali isn't just a destination, it's an immersive journey that enthralls the senses and touches the soul. Number 2. Culture in Yogyakarta. Yogyakarta, often referred to as Indonesia's cultural hub, teems with historic relics, traditional crafts, and gastronomic wonders. It's a place where ancient traditions and contemporary creativity converge. Explore Borobudur Temple, an iconic structure that speaks volumes about the city's rich past. The Royal Palace, with its intricate carvings and ornate details, is another testament to the city's deep-rooted history. Get lost in the lively maze of Malioboro Street, brimming with traditional market stalls, delicious street food, and local artistry. Number 3. Unique ecosystem of Raja Ampat. Raja Ampat, an undisputed diver's haven, is known for its astoundingly diverse marine world, teeming with over 1,500 fish species and 600 types of corals, creating an underwater spectacle like no other. But the treasures of Raja Ampat go beyond its brilliant undersea panorama. Venture on land and discover verdant jungles, mysterious caves, and towering limestone karsts, each element contributing to the remarkable topography of this archipelago. The adventurous spirit is welcomed with open arms here, as the lands and waters of Raja Ampat invite you to plunge into their wild and untamed beauty, revealing awe-inspiring sights at every turn. Number 4. Tranquility in Lake Toba. In the picturesque hills of Sumatra, you'll find the peaceful sanctuary of Lake Toba, a serene respite from Indonesia's bustling cities. Here, you can embark on a relaxing boat ride to the quaint Samosir Island, nestled in the heart of the lake. Drift off into a daydream while lounging by the water's edge or immerse yourself in the lake's soothing volcanic-warmed waters. This tranquil haven offers an idyllic escape, with lush landscapes cradling the expansive body of water. Lake Toba's captivating beauty and calming aura offer a serene retreat, allowing you to reconnect with nature and find inner peace. Number 5. Home of the orangutans in Borneo. Journey into the heart of Borneo, one of the world's most biodiverse areas, for a chance to come face-to-face with the magnificent orangutans. This island's gem, the Tanjung Puting National Park, opens a gateway to a world where nature thrives in its rawest form. Venture through the park's dense rainforest, tracing the path of winding rivers, as you listen to the vibrant symphony of jungle life. Here, you'll encounter the enchanting orangutans, swinging from tree to tree, living freely in their natural habitat. Number 6. Spectacular Mount Bromo. Adventure at East Java's crowning glory, Mount Bromo. Its raw and rugged beauty draws adventure enthusiasts from around the globe. Brace yourself for an early morning trek under the cover of darkness, only guided by the starlight and your burning sense of adventure. As dawn breaks, stand at the summit to witness the sunrise, an event that unfolds like a divine painting in the sky, casting its golden hue over the ethereal lunar-like landscape. Number 7. Unique customs in Toraja Land. Embark on a cultural immersion in the highlands of Sulawesi, known as Toraja Land. This region is a repository of ancient customs and traditions that are uniquely Torajan. Observe the grandeur of their funeral ceremonies, a spectacle where tradition, faith, and community converge. Wander through the village and admire the Tonkanen houses, known for their distinct saddleback roofs and elaborate woodwork. Number 8. Underwater Paradise of Bunaken. Envision submerging into a liquid sapphire world, where schools of vibrant fish dart between kaleidoscopic corals in an ecstatic dance. This is the enthralling underwater spectacle of Bunaken National Marine Park, nestled in the heart of North Sulawesi. Renowned as a marine biodiversity hotspot, Bunaken captivates the hearts of snorkeling and scuba diving aficionados worldwide. Number 9. The Spice Islands of Maluku. Steeped in history and draped in natural beauty, the Maluku Islands are an undiscovered gem. Known as the original Spice Islands, Maluku was once the sole source of nutmeg and cloves, sparking international expeditions. Venture to the Fort Orange, a reminder of the island's colonial past and the quest for spice dominance. Number 10. Vibrant city life of Jakarta. Step into the energetic pulse of Jakarta, Indonesia's dynamic capital city. This thriving metropolis is a harmonious blend of tradition and modernity, where towering skyscrapers cast shadows over historic landmarks. That's a wrap on the video. I hope you liked it. If you did, let me know by giving it a thumbs up, and do not forget to subscribe. Thanks for watching. See you next time.
Okay, based on the facts that we have already watched, there are some of the top 10 best travel vacations that we could visit in Indonesia. There are some of the places such as Bali, and then Malioboro or Yogyakarta, and then the third is about, do you still remember? Okay, ada Bali, Jogja, and then Medan. So, where else? Kalimantan,
Maluku,
Maluku, and then
Papua,
Papua Raja Ampat, and then
Borneo.
Bunaken Island, Toraja Island, and then wait, we missed two. Kurang dua nih. Oh, Jakarta. Okay. Jakarta. So, well, everyone, Sis Dewi, which place from the videos that you would like to visit for your next holiday?
Actually, in that video, no one, but I want to go to Labuan Bajo
Where?
next year.
Okay, next year, inshallah. And then with whom will you visit that place?
Maybe with my friend.
Mhm. Have you made the plan?
What?
Have you made the plan? Sudahkah buat planningnya?
No,
No. Okay.
I just sedang menabung.
Okay. You are saving your money right now. Okay. Thank you, Sis Dewi. What about you, Sis Asna? Sis Asna, from the place that you could visit and see from the videos, so which place that you would like to visit for your next holiday, Sis Asna? Are you there, Sis Asna?
Yes, I'm here, Miss.
Okay, so
Uh,
from the videos, which place?
Um,
Mana?
so I have experience in Bali before, and pardon me.
Hello? Hello, Sis Asna? Do you have a good signal? Hello? Okay. I guess Sis Asna has a bad signal, so that I also can... Hello, Sis Asna? Sis Asna?
Hello, Miss.
Yeah, do you have a bad signal? Okay, next we try again. Nanti kita coba lagi ya, Sis Asna. So, well everyone, because today we are going to talk about travel, karena setelah ini teman-teman akan
Yes,
sharing.
Miss.
Okay. What about now? Okay. So means that we are going to learn about some of the vocabularies before we are talking about traveling or travel destination that we have already visited. So for the first vocabularies in our model, that is plan a trip, yaitu merencanakan sebuah perjalanan. And then we have accommodation, yaitu akomodasi. And then we have a book ticket, yaitu memesan tiket. Do you like to book online? Do you like to have online booking or offline booking?
Online booking, man.
Online booking.
Online
Okay. Yeah, because it is a simpler and
Yeah.
also it's easier. We can book it everywhere. And then we have walk around, yang artinya jalan-jalan atau berkeliling di sekitaran. And then we have vacations, yang artinya liburan. Tour, wisata. Trip, perjalanan. Destination, tujuan. Direction, arah. Airport, bandara. Harbor, pelabuhan. Bus station, terminal. Train station, yaitu stasiun kereta. Ada passengers, yaitu penumpang. And then we have tourist, yang artinya turis. Tourism, pariwisata. Travel agent, yaitu biro perjalanan. Do you have any travel agent business? Ada yang punya bisnis travel agent? No? Okay. And then we have sunbathing. Sunbathing artinya adalah berjemur. Do you like sunbathing?
No.
No. Okay. Why? Why don't you like sunbathing?
Make my skin black.
Yeah, because our skin also has already back, yeah. So that if we have sunbathing means that we are blacker, nanti lebih hitam lagi. And then we have go sightseeing. Go sightseeing itu artinya adalah pergi melihat-lihat. Go camping, pergi berkemah. Arrive at, yaitu tiba di suatu tempat. And also, I still have another travel phrasal verb, yaitu kata kerja yang ada hubungannya dengan travel. For the first, we have see off. Nah, do you know what is meaning of see off? Go to the airport or station to say goodbye to someone. Berarti sama halnya dengan apa? Kalau see off. Go to the airport or station to say goodbye to someone. What is that? Berpisah atau gimana? Nganterin ya? Oke, jadi go to the airport, pergi ke airport ataupun di stasiun untuk bilang selamat tinggal kepada seseorang. Jadi kita nganterin aja, nggak ikut naik ke pesawatnya. So we can say, I see my husband off to the airport. Nah, berarti saya nganterin suami saya ke airport. And then we have set off. The meaning of set off here artinya adalah start journey, yaitu memulai perjalanan. Set off. And then kita punya get in. Get in itu artinya adalah tiba. Nah, tibanya ini biasanya digunakan untuk kendaraan kereta api, kalau nggak gitu pesawat. The train got in late, yang artinya keretanya terlambat. Datangnya terlambat. Atau keretanya telat. And then we have hold up. Hold up. What is meaning of hold up?
Delay.
Delay. Oke. Apa itu delay, sis? Tertunda ya. It is called by hold up. Kalau lagi traveling berarti dia hold up. And then we have check-in. Check-in biasanya teman-teman menggunakan kata ini di mana?
Staycation.
Boarding pass.
Waktu
Iya.
staycation sama boarding pass. Yaps. Oke, karena check-in itu bisa digunakan untuk di hotel, juga bisa digunakan di airport. Yang artinya mendaftar atau register. Then we have get off. Okay. Get off itu artinya adalah leave a bus. Leave a bus berarti meninggalkan bus alias turun. Nah, turun dari kendaraan. Kita menggunakan get off. We get off at the next station. Berarti kita turun di stasiun selanjutnya. Kalau saya turun dari motor, we can say I get off from motorcycle. I get off from my car. Boleh. And then kita punya check out. Check out itu lawannya check in. So, the meaning of check out itu artinya adalah meninggalkan setelah membayar. Nah, check out biasanya digunakan untuk di hotel. And then we have take off. Take off itu digunakan untuk apa?
Plane. Plane.
Plane. Oke. Jadi take off itu digunakan untuk keberangkatan pesawat ya. Alias lepas landas. Take off. The plane take off at 5 o'clock p.m. Jadi pesawatnya itu terbang landas di jam 5. And then we have pick up. What is meaning of pick up?
Menjemput.
Menjemput. Menjemput atau mengantar?
Menjemput.
Mengantar.
Artinya adalah mengantar. Let someone get into your car. Jadi membiarkan seseorang masuk ke dalam mobilmu and take them somewhere dan membawanya ke suatu tempat. Berarti kan mengantar.
Oke.
And then we have drop off. What is the meaning of drop off?
Mantap. Menurunkan.
Oke, artinya adalah menurunkan. Take someone to a place and then leave them there. Mengantarkan ke suatu tempat, terus kamu meninggalkannya di sana. And then for the next we have get on. Get on ini lawannya dari get off. Kalau get off turun, berarti get on-nya naik. Get on bertemu kendaraan, nanti artinya naik kendaraan tersebut. Enter a bus, enter a train, plane, or to climb on board. Jadi kalau saya naik pesawat ke Makassar, I get on airplane to Makassar. And then we have getaway. Getaway itu adalah kata lain dari liburan. To have a holiday or vacation. We are hoping to get away for a few days at Easter. Jadi kita berharap untuk libur beberapa hari saat Paskah. And then we have hurry up. What is meaning of hurry up? Hurry up.
Cepat.
Cepat. Okay. And then for the next we have set out. Set out itu artinya adalah memulai perjalanan, tapi perjalanan ini digunakan untuk perjalanan yang lebih panjang. And then we have speed up. What is the meaning of speed up?
Kecepatan.
Menambah kecepatan.
Kecepatan.
Oke, menambah kecepatan atau we can say ngebut ya. Increase speed. Nambahin kecepatan. And then we have look around. Oke, the meaning of look around itu artinya adalah explore what is near you. Jadi berkeliling di sekitaran. Okay. And then for the next, we have travel items. Nah, travel items ini adalah benda-benda yang bisa kita bawa ketika kita lagi traveling. For the first, we have credit card. What is meaning of credit card?
Kartu kredit.
Oke, kartu kredit. Do you have credit card?
No.
Yes.
Yes. Okay. And then we have money. What is meaning of money?
Uang.
Okay. And then for the next is about sunglasses. Kaca mata. Do you have sunglasses? Yes. Do you also wear sunglasses while traveling? Yes. Okay. We have travel apps. What is meaning of travel apps?
Aplikasi traveling.
Yaitu aplikasi perjalanan. Can you mention one of the travel apps that you use?
Traveloka.
Traveloka. And then
Tiket.com.
Tiket.com. And then apa lagi?
Agoda.
Agoda. And then Google Map termasuk nggak?
Yes, of course.
Yes. What about Google Translate?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. Jadi Google Translate also can make us easier to translate their languages if we visit another country. If we don't know, then we have to find out in Google Translate. And Google Map, we can use that for find out the way. And then Grab itu juga termasuk.
Oh iya.
Grab, terus apa lagi sih selain Grab? Gojek, ada Maxim, ada Uber, dan lain sebagainya. Oke, dia juga termasuk dari aplikasi perjalanan. And then we have first aid kit. What is meaning of first aid kit?
P3K.
P3K. Okay. Do you always bring first aid kit while traveling?
No.
No, cuma bawa antimuan, saplas, minyak angin.
Yes.
Okay, and then we have money belt. What is meaning of money belt?
Tas tempat uang.
Okay, alias we can say tas pinggang.
Tas pinggang.
And then kalau passport,
Sport.
Passport. Masih?
passport, oke. Atau identitas internasional ya. Do you have a passport?
Yes.
Yes.
Mhm. Okay. And then for the next, we have insect repellent. What is meaning of insect repellent? Insect
Oh,
itu serangga.
mm-mm.
Repellent itu adalah anti. Berarti
Anti serangga.
obat anti serangga.
Serang
Can you give me the example? Contohnya apa?
autan.
Autan, heat, dan lain sebagainya. Okay. And then for the next, we have sweet case. What is meaning of sweet case?
Koper.
Copper. Okay. What about tent? What is meaning of tent?
Tenda.
Tenda. Okay. And then we have backpack. What is meaning of backpack?
Tas.
Punggung.
Tas punggung.
Ransel.
Punggung ya.
Okay. Tas punggung ya atau ransel. And then we have ID card.
Tanda pengenal.
Tanda pengenal. Okay. And then for the next, we have toiletries. What is the meaning of toiletries?
Peralatan
Peralatan
mandi.
peralatan.
Oke, peralatan mandi.
Dia.
Ada sikat, ada sampo, ada odol, ada juga sabun. Then we have map. What is meaning of map?
Peta.
Peta. Okay. And then what about sunscreen?
Pelindung
SPF.
Hmm,
matahari.
apa itu?
Krim pelindung matahari.
Tabir surya ya?
Ya, tabir surya.
Do you wear sunscreen?
Yes.
Every day.
Yes.
Yes, it's every
Okay, every day ya. Even when you don't go anywhere?
Yes.
Yes.
Mhm.
Always
Okay.
sunscreen.
We may not skip that. Oke, apalagi sekarang kalau lagi musim ini ya, musim apa sih? Bukan hujan itu apa? Kemarau. The sun is really hot. And then we have guidebook. What is meaning of guidebook?
Buku petunjuk.
Panduan.
Oke, buku petunjuk atau buku panduan. Great. And then for the next we have charger. What is meaning of charger?
Casan.
Charger alias casan. Okay. And then for the next we have luggage allowance. Apa itu? Luggage allowance. Apa? Luggage allowance itu
Petunjuk.
artinya
Apa?
adalah ini biaya bagasi.
Oh.
Okay. And then for the next we have sleeping bag.
Kantong.
Kantong tidur.
Kantong tidur. Oke, nah ini buat yang suka pergi ke
Hiking.
gunung, mountain. And then for the next we have cap. What is meaning of cap?
Topi.
Topi. Okay, topi. Great. Do you also wearing a cap while traveling? A cap
Never.
or a hat?
Kan.
Yaps. Okay, maybe for the boys that you may wearing a cap, but for the girls, you may wear a hat. So means that it's time for us to share about the place that we have already visited or the best traveling ever that you had in your life. Well, everyone, means that it's time for me to open the breakout room and then we may discuss with our friends about the travel.